How to add featured photo on Facebook. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account in which you want to make the change. Once you are in the home page of Facebook, you will be able to see various news feeds or the posts that someone has shared. So if you want to add featured photo, you need to first reach out to the featured photos of your Facebook. For that, you need to tap on your profile option at the left upper corner. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see your featured collection. In order to add photos, you need to tap on the new option over here, and you can select any photos that you want to add from your camera roll. If you don't want to create a new one but you want to add the photos on existing featured collection, then you can simply tap on the collection and you'll be able to see the add new option in the lower button. Simply tap on that and you can tap on add more option over here, and you'll be opened up to the camera roll, from where you have to select the photo which you want to upload. You can go for see all option in the right upper corner, from where you'll be able to see all of the photos available on your camera roll, and you can select any one of them. And if you have got any active stories or your story archive, then you can also add those stories to your featured collection. For that, you can simply select the story and go for next, and it will be added. So this is how you add featured photo on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.